Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 1 gig free internet bundle by installing an app on the Play Store. So first of all, what you have to do is to open your Play Store. Once the Play Store is opened, you come to the search and search for an app called my Vodafone app. So when it comes, you install it. That's the first one, my Vodafone Ghana. As you can see, I've already installed my own. So in your case, you have to install it. Once you install, then you open the app. Okay, this is the interface of the app. So what you have to do first is to register with this app. So I'm going to register with them. Then I put my password. Okay, then I put my phone number. Okay, now I'll click on the register now. Okay, as you can see, they said what contact already existed, but in your case it will not be like this. So you have to register with them. They will send you a confirmation code. You will then confirm it, and then I will see you in the next steps. So I'm going to register to log in with my account because I already have an account with them. But in your case, you have to follow this procedure and register. So I'm going to log in to my account and then show you how you can get the free bundle. Okay, now I'm logged into my account. So when you also logged in, this is what you will see. So you can choose to read the tips or you close it. So once you are on the home page, you will see this thing, shake on X. That's shake on Vodafone X to get excited bundle rewards. 1 gig free trial for a shake. So you click on it. When you click on it, then you have to shake your phone. So let me shake it and you'll see. Okay, you shake again. Okay. Okay, so now you tap on it. So wait for it to load. Okay, now you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see here shake for free. So you click on it. You shake again. Okay, redeeming your free data. So we wait for it. You see, you have successfully redeemed your shake for free 1 gig. Thank you. So you close. You don't go back to your home page. As you can see, this is the message from them. This is a message from there. You will receive a reward of 1 gig shortly for your bundle purchase. Bonus is valid for 1 day. Keep using my Vodafone app. So you can go back and check your data to see. So as you can see, this is it. Your Vodafone app data reward remaining is 1 gig and is valid until 24th. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.